everyone, this is an instructional video on how to register for a course or courses offered at the Harvard Ceramics program. First, find the Harvard Ceramics program website by using a search engine such as Google. On our website, find and then click on the red button on your left column that says Registration Login. This will lead you to our new registration website. If you'd like to preview our course before registering, click here. For more course details, click on the title of the course. Here you can also log into our registration website. You will need a Harvard key to log into your new registration system. If you don't have Harvard key, please claim Harvard key here. If you have a Harvard key, click on Login with Harvard key to log into your account. After you log into your account, if you don't see this page, click on Register tab on the black bar on top. To find a list of Harvard ceramic courses, click on the ceramic program. You'll see a list of ceramic courses offered. Click on the class title of your choice. The class detail window will pop up. To register for the class, click on the Add to Cart button on your right bottom. If you'd like to register for another class, click again on the class title of your choice and click Add to Cart. Close the message in green box above and click the cart icon to go to the cart. If you'd like to cancel one of the classes, you can click trash icon next to the class you would like to cancel. This will delete the class from your cart. To complete the registration, click on the Checkout button. A pop-up window will appear with a message informing that you won't have access to modify your purchase for the next 15 minutes. If you are sure that you have the right class in your cart, close the message by clicking OK button. This will lead you to the payment page. Enter your payment information and make sure billing address is the address you have with your credit card account. Please note that if you change your mind and decide not to register for the class at this point, do not click X on the tab. Instead, click Cancel to cancel the transaction. To continue with the payment, click Continue button at the bottom. This is a confirmation page, and click Continue button one more time to get a receipt for your purchase. You can print the receipt here. You have completed your registration and you should see the enrolled class information by clicking My Enrollments tab on top. Thank you for watching this tutorial video, and if you have any questions, let us know.